Hello English learners and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna learn words which have the same meaning with exact. So exact or exactly mean accuracy. No more or no less than a particular number. Exact is an adjective while exactly is an adverb. Let me show you the first example here. Please don't be late because the bus comes at exactly 9 a.m. It means that you must not be late than 9 a.m. Yes, it's okay if you come earlier than 9 and it's required to do so. But if you arrive even at 9:01, the bus will have left. Next example. Adults are taking exactly the same amount of vaccine against COVID-19. You know, the amount of vaccine is different for all age categories. Like for instance, children and elderly people get less dose than adults. Since adults are strong and active, they can get the same amount of vaccine. Our next phrase is to be exact. It is used for giving more exact figure, and usually it comes at the end of the sentence. Look at this example to understand the phrase more. We have received lots of comments for our videos, more than 100 to be exact. In this sentence, speaker is talking about lots of comments, but lots of is abstract, so it doesn't give any definite number. Thus, the speaker is adding more than 100 to be exact. Even here, the precise amount of comments is not clear, but a listener can imagine more precise number. Overall meaning is not less than 100 comments. Next example. I have tons of home assignments for the weekend. Writing a report and 2 essays, and learning 30 new words to be exact. Here the speaker is clarifying what exactly must be done by recalling all the tasks. Another synonym for exactly is precisely. Precisely. It is used for emphasizing what is being told. Example. Our next Zoom meeting will begin at precisely 8:30 p.m. It means that if anybody is late than the planned time, they will not be allowed to join the meeting. So 8:30 p.m. is being emphasized. Another example is the professor arrives at the campus at 8 a.m. precisely. In other words, he has the habit of not being late, or he likes to be accurate and punctual. Therefore, he is never late than 8 a.m. Look at this word, accurately. It is another synonym for exactly. Example. In the IELTS examination, the writing subtest, Task 1 should be written as accurately as possible, highlighting all important figures in the graphs and charts. So in IELTS examination, your Task 1 report must be clear and give an accurate image of numbers or changes in maps and cycles. Let's look at the next example. No matter what type of transport you use, you must act accurately and respect others in the street. The next two phrases are quite close to each other in terms of structure. The first one is made by using right. Right in the middle of, right next to, or right in front of, and etc. The first example is, our flat is right behind the college. Second example is that Aeon Mall is right next to JR station. So in these both examples, there is no any other building between the two which are being mentioned. The second word that I have mentioned is that directly. directly, directly in front of, directly behind, or directly under, and etc. Example: Mongolia is located directly under Russia on the world map. So if you look at the world map, you can see that the Mongolia is directly under the Russian Federation, and there is no any other territory of a state between those two countries. Second example is that the seminar room is directly in front of the professor's office. Before finishing our today's video, I want to show you a couple of informal words. The first one is aright. Aright. And its meaning is correctly. Please look at the first example. Did I hear you aright? Or did I understand you aright? Which means that, did I hear you correctly? So, did you mean that? For example, you can repeat the speaker's sentence, or you can highlight the main idea of the spoken sentence. And the next word is bang. It's also an adverb. Example 1. A football hit bang in the center of the window. I also used to play football with my friends in our street. We didn't have enough sports facilities or the playground which is close to our living area. Therefore, we had to play the football in the street. And sometimes our ball hit bang the windows in that neighborhood. Lots of people were angry and some were anxious. But anyway, we didn't care and kept playing football. Look at the next example. Smartphone that is bang, which means that completely up to date or the most sophisticated smartphone. You can also use this word for artificial intelligence or a kind of modern technology and software. Okay, this is the end of our today's video. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and share the videos with your friends. See you next time. Take care.